In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create community in Kajabi. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a new space for your audience, choose the right access options, and get to the dashboard where you can start shaping the experience. First, log into your Kajabi account. From the main dashboard, look for the Products tab. That's where Kajabi keeps anything your audience can access. Click Products, then select Community. This takes you to the area dedicated to building and managing your community spaces. Next, click New Community. Think of this as opening a fresh workspace. You're not committing to a full launch yet, you're simply creating the container where everything will live. Now fill in your community details. Add a clear, memorable name that reflects the purpose of your space. Write a short description that tells members what they can expect, like who it's for, what kinds of discussions or resources they'll find, and how often you'll engage. If you have a cover image or thumbnail, upload it here. Strong visuals make your community feel more official and on-brand, and they help members recognize it at a glance. You'll then choose your access type, free or paid. Free access is great for open communities, lead generation, or building engagement without friction. Paid access is perfect if you're offering premium value, like exclusive content, coaching, or a more intimate circle. When you choose a paid option, Kajabi automatically creates an offer tied to that access. That offer is where payments and permissions are managed, so members who purchase it are granted entry to your community without you having to do anything manually. After that, create your first access group. Give it a name that matches its purpose, like general members, premium members, or founding members. Access groups help you segment who sees what inside the community, and they're useful if you plan to offer different tiers or experiences under one roof. When everything looks good, save your work. Kajabi will create your community and take you to the community dashboard. This is your control center. From here, you can start customizing the layout and branding, add your first posts or resources, and invite members to join. It's a great idea to prepare a welcome post that sets the tone, outline a few simple guidelines, and pin any must-see content so new members know exactly where to begin. That's it. You've created your community in Kajabi, and you're ready to build momentum.